Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to Zoom Story. If you are new to this channel, you are requested to subscribe my channel for more updates. Please try to watch the full video.
Deepika Padukone is a popular actress in India. Many of us like her movies. She is a dashing heroine in Bollywood arena. In this tutorial today, I'll try to teach you how to simply draw a portrait of Deepika in Adobe Photoshop step by step. First, click File menu, then click Open to pick the image in Artboard. Let's make a new layer to place the image and name it Outline. From the toolbar, select Pen tool to draw outline carefully. Draw face, lip, ear, eyebrow, etc. smoothly. From the toolbar, click Magic Pen tool and select only image without background to make mask. Now pick some new layer to accomplish the drawing. Deepika was born in 5th January 1986 at Copenhagen but grew up in Bangalore. She was an ex-badminton player. Deepika is a famous Bollywood actress and model. She is one of the highest demandable actresses in Indian territory. She won 2 Filmfare Awards for her fantastic acting. Now she performs well and releases box office hit movies every year. If you seek a graphic designer, embroidery digitizer, then please knock us through the following email address. We can handle any sort of graphic or embroidery task smartly. Besides this, if you need several sort of graphic design, embroidery design and CAD/CAM software, then just mention it and send us an email to get it. Click File and save the drawing in your folder.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you want to watch later in commenting. I think this video is easy and quick to learn for graphic designers who are looking to improve their skill in Adobe Illustrator by using new tips and tricks. Please be with us to learn graphic design, embroidery design and CAD/CAM system step by step.
Thanks for watching. If you like my channel, please share this video. Subscribe and likes will be a great support to create good content. Bye bye.